This car has no normal doors, and how it is made will surprise you. This screen controls everything. Safety tests protect passengers. First, strong steel sheets are prepared. Tires are made from strong rubber. Robots join parts to build the car frame. The frame moves forward for next steps. Wires connect all systems together.
Door structure is added carefully.
The roof is fixed on the frame. The electric motor is added. Smart dashboard is installed. This car uses special sliding doors. Next, the electric battery is prepared. The battery is installed below. Now the car gets its mint green color. The paint is dried with heat. Comfortable seats are added. The front glass is installed carefully. Side windows are fixed with precision. Now the tires are attached.
The suspension helps the ride feel smooth.
Brakes are added for safety. The steering system is connected. Modern LED lights are installed. This screen controls everything. Rear lights are tested carefully. This car uses many smart sensors. Cameras help the car see the road. The AI brain controls smart features. The touchscreen system is checked. The driver can control features by voice. The sliding doors open automatically. The charging system is connected. While trainers drill, the battery cooling system keeps it safe. High-quality speakers are added. All wires are checked one by one. experts inspect every small detail. It is also tested against dust. The car is tested in heavy water. Rain sensors activate the wipers automatically. The design is tested against strong wind. The car unlocks with smart technology. Airbags are tested for emergencies. The car is tested on roads. It drives smoothly at night. The motor gives fast performance. The electric system is very quiet.
The cabin has water ได้ยินเขาผู้จัด cabin has บุคคลผู้จัดผู้จัดสินะคะ The cabin has lots of space.
The seats can move for comfort. There is extra space for passengers. The large glass roof gives an open feeling. Soft lighting makes the cabin look modern. The smart system controls cabin temperature. Phones can charge wirelessly.
那是係這件皮質定主要係想做這個跟氣體連對別。
That's all. The sound system is tested carefully.
整體聽音 is meant 也處理個意思。
The rear storage area is very large. The car can help with parking.
360 cameras improve driving safety.
Smart systems help the driver stay safe. Mirrors adjust automatically for the driver. Engineers monitor every detail carefully. The body is polished for a smooth finish. The final logo is attached. Now the car looks complete. The futuristic lights shine brightly. The automatic doors are one of its best features. The navigation system helps drivers travel easily. The screen shows live battery information. The battery can recharge quickly. The battery stores clean electric power. This electric car creates less pollution. Electric vehicles help protect the environment. Many future cars may look like this.
It is designed for comfort and family travel.